25.
GHS Badavanalli, Madhugiri Taluk, Tumkur District, Karnataka. My name is Yashu. I am studying 8th standard.
My name is Bhumika DM. I am studying 8th standard. Statement of this project.
Heavy rainfall and foggy conditions can significantly reduce visibility while driving, leading to increased risk of accidents and near-miss incidents.
Manual windshield wipers often fail to provide visibility, and drivers may need to pull over to wait for the rain outside. Materials used in this project.
Servo motor, rain sensor, Arduino Uno, breadboard, jumper wire. The working principle of this project.
Rain sensor senses the rain, give information to the Arduino Uno.
Arduino Uno give information to servo motor.
Servo motor will wipe